Good morning, everyone. My name is Chartpunk. This is the 14th of February, and this is your daily dose of Bitcoin. On the weekly Bitcoin chart, we do not have that much change since yesterday. What we see here is that the consensus moving averages have started to lean down, and if the bulls are not able to provide us with price action above $22,000 or $23,000, then the two short moving averages will most likely cross down. What is very important to watch is the 25,200 level, which is the previous high in the complete downtrend since 2021 November. As long as this lower high is not tackled from a price action perspective, the trend is still bearish. What we see, however, is that the short moving averages have been able to cross up the long-term moving average, and the Chartpunk trading system is giving us green candles, which is indicating a bullish momentum on the market on the weekly time frame. Let's go to lower time frames to see the actual situation there. This is the 3-day Bitcoin chart. What we see is that the long moving average, the 30-period simple moving average, is currently at around $19,000. This is a very important support level in this complete uptrend. The short moving averages have crossed the long moving average here at around $80,000. And since then, the Chartpunk trading system has been giving us green candles indicating a bullish momentum. Here, these weeks, they are indicating a kind of decreasing momentum in the $23,000 to $24,000 range. And what we see here on the 3-day chart is that the 3-period moving average has already crossed down the 7-period moving average, which, if you are trading the consensus moving average trading system, is an indication for you to a little bit decrease your bullish allocation to Bitcoin. It is a good news that the candles are still green according to the Chartpunk trading system indicator, but if the price action continues to stay in this zone, then most likely during the next 1 or 2 candles we will lose the green candles, and again we will receive gray candles indicating neutral momentum, just like here or here. Right now, the chart is still looking good. This is just a shallow correction. This is just an indication to a little bit decrease your bullish allocation, but the 3-day Bitcoin time frame is still looking very, very nice. 1-day Bitcoin chart, this is where it gets really interesting. What we see here is that we have a very important previous high here at $21,500, and this is what we are right now using as support. I will show the 4-hour time frame for you in just a second. Thing is that we have divergence here on this support, and that is very nice, because if we are able to bounce from this support, that would just mean a simple breakout and retest of the 21,500, and that would open up a move towards here, towards 22,500, 22,600, which has been a kind of support zone in this previous sideways move. So this is what I am watching now, how Bitcoin reacts to the $21,500 range. What we see here is that the moving averages have already crossed down, so the trend is getting a little bit bearish on this daily time frame. But as long as we are sitting here on this support, I do not see a major problem with Bitcoin. Let's take a look at the oscillators. It is also good news that my own momentum oscillator, the Chartpunk momentum oscillator, has started to cross up. This is indicating some rising momentum here on support. And also in the RSI, we have a downwards movement, but probably we see some momentum gaining here in this level. What is very important is that in this whole RSI downwards move, we should keep these levels, these previous lows. If we are able to stay above these lows, then we have a chance to retain the bullish momentum built up during this whole impulse move. Let's take a look at the 4-hour chart. This is the 4-hour Bitcoin chart, and I am bringing back the oscillators because there you can clearly see a divergent price action. What you see here is a double bottom which is being formed, and thing is that the RSI is moving against the price action. The RSI has already started to trend up, which is a very important confirmation of this horizontal support zone. The Chartpunk momentum oscillator is also trending up, which supports our thesis that we have a divergent move here supporting this horizontal level. Now, if we analyze the RSI, then my thesis is that this is the downtrend that we are currently having in the movement of the RSI, and this is the uptrend that we are currently seeing on the chart. And I think that the price action will be decided by these two trends, these two momentum trends. If the bulls are able to tackle this previous high in the RSI and tackle this downtrend, then we have a reasonable chance chance to revisit this 22,500 zone, which has been the bottom of this sideways movement. And if we are able to tackle this zone, then we again will have a shot to try to tackle the $25,200 level, which has been the previous lower high in the whole downtrend which we had since 2021 November.